Welcome to Praetorian Networks, LLC. With over 10 years of hands-on experience, we design, build, and secure networks for businesses just like yours, on time and within budget. Contact us today and let us analyze your network security system that benefits your company's criteria. You can cut operational costs by 10 to 30%, reduce network threats and downtime, boost team productivity and communication. Local, personal service, not a call center, trusted by businesses, law offices, and city governments across South Texas. Get your company back online for better productivity. Peace of mind knowing your network is protected by expert-level security. Freedom from downtime with proactive monitoring. Rapid response. Ease of use through streamlined, intuitive systems tailored to your workflow. And proactive support that identifies and resolves issues before they impact your operations. Expert guidance from a team with deep experience in municipal, legal, and enterprise-grade networks.